Very high winds today. It's going to be a dangerous ride home. This bridge is going to be one hairy ride. And I don't care about stopping. We're going through town today. But I'm dry and snug. Snug as a bug. Till the water starts running down my legs. There it goes. It's into my left boot. Oh shit, the Minnesota driver. Come on, dipshits, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, Minnesota, go. And there's my truck. Ha ha! And I'm not gonna catch him. Let's use this Jeep. I'm gonna jump up to this Ford. And now we got the semi. And we're good now. Another high-risky maneuver accomplished by the NT8. You freaking people are nuts. Well, we had our meeting today with the big guy, John Pistol. He's a pretty sensible guy, believe it or not. I walked away impressed. And that takes quite a bit to get that out of me. So when you see this guy on the news, I don't think he's a politician. I don't think he's bullshitting you. At least he didn't try and bullshit us. He even mentioned them guys in LAX and the drug dealers. I hope they piss pound them guys. And I read the story on the 4-year-old and 75-year-old grandma. And I can tell just by the way it's written with the words they used that it's a bunch of horse shit. I even doubt the facts. The word suspects is not in our vocabulary. But there was constant reference to it as one of our people saying that, and I'm telling you, it's bullshit. You talk as you train. You can't just start whipping in words on your own because other people won't understand what you're saying. We have our own lingo, and that's not one of them. And there were several other statements that I read in there that were made that supposedly came from one of us, and it's bullshit.